Hey South Florida family, it's Gloria Hack with Gloria Sal's Real Estate. I'm bringing you another Real Talk homeowner update. Here's the question. What if I told you Broward County could literally hand you up to $60,000 to hurricane-proof your home? No scam, no catch. A forgivable loan that never needs to be paid back. And Miami-Dade and Palm Beach have similar deals too. So stick with me because I'll explain how you can qualify, how much you can get, and one mistake that disqualifies more homeowners than anything else. And at the end, I'll show you how to combine this with the statewide grant most people haven't even heard of yet. What's the program? All right, here's the breakdown. Broward County's Hurricane Hardening and Minor Home Repair Program is live now, offering up to $60,000 or $40,000 in mortgage at zero interest for 10 years. Stay in your home for the full 10-year term and poof, your loan is forgiven. Covered improvements include roof repair or even full replacement, impact windows and doors, hurricane shutters, AC upgrades and insulation, septic and sewer connections, and if you have a household member with mobility or special need requirements, it can also fund accessibility updates like widening doorways or retrofitting bathrooms. These aren't luxury upgrades. They can boost your property value and lower your insurance premiums by hundreds a year. So, who actually qualifies? Eligibility is based on income, household size, and home value. For example, a family of 4 earning up to $92,000 can qualify. Most cities cap at your home value, which cap is $637,000. Weston's cap is a little higher at $817,000 for value. Pre-applications are open now and you can apply through December 31st of this year. And funds go first come, first qualified, first served. And don't go anywhere. In about a minute, I'll tell you how Miami-Dade and Palm Beach homeowners are getting similar help most people don't even know exist. Applying is easy. If your last name starts with A through M, call Andy Chandra at 954-357-4907. If it's N through Z, contact Tangi Ham, 954-357-4942, or just email them. The links are going to be in my description. Here's what you need. Proof of income. You need to show your property deed, your mortgage and tax statement, which should be current, any code citations or repair needs. And here's a pro tip. Unpermitted work or unpaid taxes are the number one reason people get denied. Fix those things before you apply. Now, Miami-Dade homeowners, don't tune out. Your county runs a housing rehabilitation program that offers forgivable loans for roofing, electrical, plumbing, and even code violation fixes. Cities like Miami Gardens and City of Miami run spin-off programs with zero interest, 5-year forgiveness, and weatherization help for seniors. And for my Palm Beach County folks, there's the owner-occupied housing rehabilitation program. It offers up to $50,000 for emergency and hurricane hardening repairs. They even have special allocations for veterans, seniors, and families with disabilities. Just make sure you don't have any unpermitted work on the property. That's an automatic disqualifier there. All right, ready for the bonus round? The My Safe Florida Home Program just got a fresh $280 million budget. So step number 1, schedule your free wind mitigation report. Step number 2, apply for a matching grant of up to $10,000 for impact windows, doors, or roof work. If you're low income or 62 plus, you might get 100% coverage, no match required. Combine that with the county repair grant, and you could be stacking tens of thousands of dollars in improvements. Just be sure that you're not double funding the same item. Ask your rep about duplication of benefits. Here's why this is such a big deal. South Florida insurance premiums keep climbing. Storm seasons are getting stronger, and a lot of homes built before 2005 just aren't up to today's standards. Upgrading now does more than protect your roof. It cuts your insurance premiums, it raises your property value, it improves your comfort and your energy efficiency, and it builds equity without adding debt. You're not just maintaining your home, you're future-proofing it. Okay, here's a quick recap. In Broward, apply before December 31st of this year. Miami-Dade and Palm Beach County, check your housing department websites for open rounds. All counties, book your My Safe Florida home inspection ASAP. Comment below your city and I'll reply with your local program links. And if you want my free home hardening checklist, grab it from the link in the description. It's a great starting point even if you don't qualify. Thanks for watching, friends. I'm Gloria Heck with Gloria Sells Real Estate, helping you move confidently to your next adventure. If this helped you, I hope you'll hit the like and subscribe button and share it with a neighbor, because protecting our homes protects our community. And next week, I'll be breaking down how to combine these programs with insurance discounts so you don't leave any money on the table. See you then.